guys, mag-on na tayo ng ating machine. Ito yung grinder machine natin. Ayan na, naon na yung grinder machine natin. Ayan. Umilaw na yung light ng grinder machine natin. So ang susunod natin i-on ay ang ating coffee machine guys. Yung switch dito. Ayan. Hintay na lang natin 1 minute. Yung machine natin para tuloy natin mag-calibrate ang ating coffee machine guys. So hintayin lang natin guys. Ayan ang ating coffee machine. At ito naman yung ating weighing scale. Ayan. Mag-init ang ating coffee machine. Ayan guys, ang ating calibration. So 36 seconds and 37 ml. So ayan guys. So that's it, our coffee machine calibration guys. Okay, this is our espresso shots now. Now we will taste it. Let's drink. Perfect. Good taste.
Hi, I'm Dan from Clincy & Sons Coffee Roastery, and now we're going to be looking at programming the volumetrics on a Lamazocco Linear PB. Now, volumetrics is a really useful function, especially in busy environments, because the machine will take care of your yield parameter, how much espresso you get in the cup. So, there are a few basic steps we need to follow. First of all, we need to prep our shot. We then need to tear off the weight of our cup. Now, quite simply, we need to hold down the swirl button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds until we get into group dose settings. Now, we have our little controller here. This allows us to scroll up or down through our menu options. Now, this is the first option that comes up, and that's what we want. This is our enter button, so we're going to press enter. Okay, again, we can scroll up or down through our options, but again, it's the first option. We want to program our volume dose, so again, we press enter. Now, we've got our prepared shot. Now we need to engage our portafilter and prepared shot and pop our cup and tared scales underneath. We need to select the button that we wish to program. I'm going to go with the double shot button. So, I'm going to weigh the coffee coming out. I select this. What we're going to do now is weigh the water coming out, and we're going to press the same button to stop it when we get our required yield. A little tip though, you want to stop it around 3 grams before your required yield. The reason is, it always holds a bit of water in here, so it will give you slightly more. So as we can see, it's memorizing the pulses, memorizing how much water it's allowing through. So to stop it, I press the same button, and there we have it. We've got our 44.8 grams. We need to exit our menu. So to exit, we simply press enter, which is the swirl button. Now we need to go through the options to fully exit the menu. So we're going to scroll down until we get to group dose exit, press enter. Scroll down again until we get to exit menu, and again press enter. Now this will have memorized our volumetrics, how much water it gives you through the coffee, i.e. 44.8 grams. Say I want the same yield to be on this side too. Now we can do that on this machine, it's very, very clever. We can quite literally copy over the amount of pulses onto this side. Copy the yield over, if you like. So to do that, again, we hold down our swirly button between 5 and 10 seconds until we get to group dose settings again. Again, that's what we want, so we press enter. We don't want to program the volume dose this time because we've already done it and we're happy with that. So what we need to do is scroll through the options until we get to copy dose. Now I'm going to press enter because that's what I want. Now, here's the interesting bit. We can literally copy the pulses over onto this side by simply selecting the one we want and copy and pasting. So we're going to put it over onto the double shot here. Easy, right? So now we're going to exit our menu, and again, enter to exit. We press exit, go through our options, press exit, through the options again, and press exit. Now, we have set our volumetrics. We have 44.8 grams on this side, and we've copied it over to have 44.8.